Hi, MCC. I'm Dr. Jesse Gill. I'm looking forward to the upcoming marriage workshop on Saturday, November 5th that we get to share together. We're going to be talking about that all-important aspect of your marriage, your attachment bond. This is God's provision so that you don't have to feel alone, physically or emotionally on the journey of life. And there's few things that are better than when I know that my spouse has my back. There's few things that are more painful than when I feel alone and I can't reach him or her, especially in a moment of great need. Some of us really struggle to be vulnerable and to be effective in drawing our spouse towards us. Some of us actually end up shutting our spouse down or maybe actually pulling away and then leaving them feeling abandoned. And we can get caught in these patterns of conflict where one is pushing and one is pulling away, and we just never quite line up where we need to be, where we want to be, which is face to face. That's what this workshop is all about, restoring you to that face to face connection, even taking moments of pain and turning them into opportunities to get to know each other better, and learning how to grieve, and all along drawing from the comfort and the power of Jesus himself, who never leaves us, never forsakes us. I'm looking forward to spending this time. And if you want to learn a little bit more as you lead up to the workshop, check out my blogs and videos and even take a peek at my book at facetofaceliving.com. God bless you. See you soon.